Hello, I'm Manna Sangma. The dollar has crossed rupees 90. It means the rupee has gone beyond 90. On December 3rd, the dollar crossed rupees 90. So what's the real value of the rupee? Is it 90 or could it go even higher? How much dollar Reserve Bank buying to support the rupee? And will the rupee now cross rupees 100? Well, on Wednesday morning, it reached rupees 90.14 for the first time ever. Industrialist Uday Kotak mentioned that the rupee has gone beyond 90. One reason could be that foreign investors are pulling money out of India's stock market, selling off, and Indian investors are buying. Instead, time will tell who was smarter. For now, foreign investors seem to be the smart ones. In dollar terms, Nifty's one-year return is zero, but this is a long term. It is a game. The time has come for Indian businessmen to step out of their comfort zones. Uday Kotak is saying that in dollar terms, Nifty's returns are zero. Maybe the fall of the rupee and the lack of dollar inflows from outside are affecting some companies. At least there's one voice pointing towards the reason. 6 days ago, report was there that almost all small and mid-sized companies across sectors are struggling. The stock prices of 1,000 small and mid-range companies have dropped up to 20% from their peak, and for 440 companies, the prices have fallen by 50%. Yes, there are lots of companies whose shares prices have dropped by up to 90%. It is clear that the market isn't giving the same returns anymore. Has our economy gotten stuck in a web of lies? If no one speaks the truth, how will this get fixed? Nobody dares to tell the truth. Who knows when they will get raided or thrown in jail? But what about you, the regular investors? The rupee has crossed 90. Now, will that affect you? Petrol prices have also crossed 90 and people started praising it, saying it's good for the environment and the folks will drive less. But what did not happen? People's earnings and people's saving have just vanished into thin air. Out of all the currencies in Asia, why is the rupee in the worst shape? Nobody talks about that. The people who used to say before 2014 that a weak rupee was bad for the country are now claiming that this weakness is actually good for the nation. All the economic problems of the country are supposedly going to disappear because of this weak rupee. Ravi Kumar runs a trust called Pehle India. Before this, he was the vice chairman of the Niti Aayog. Maybe even before that, he was doing some yoga or something. Basically, Ravi Kumar's life has been pretty stable for a long time. The situation is ongoing for the first time. The rupee has crossed 90. Ravi Kumar has projected a dream that if the rupee weakens, foreign exchange earnings will increase and more jobs will be created. A strong rupee is an old idea found only in economics textbooks. He's saying something like this. He explained not to worry about the weak rupee, and you understand he's saying foreign exchange earnings will happen. But for the past several days, foreign investors have been withdrawing dollars after dollars from India. Several thousand crores have already been withdrawn. This is not been disclosed. When foreign investors used to come, they were announced with great fanfare. When they leave, the road is quietly changed. Everyone knows that foreign investors are selling shares and withdrawing money from their investment. But Ravi Kumar says if the rupee weakens, foreign exchange earning will increase and jobs will be created. There are many reasons for the rupee's decline, including failed economy, policy, and a complete failed foreign policy. The three major reasons are the foreign investors are constantly withdrawing money. In 2025, foreign portfolio investors withdrew approximately 2 lakh crore rupees from India. US tariffs have had a devastating impact on our economy. The rupee has weakened further due to the lack of trade. bill. Another major reason is the ever increasing import bill and the ever widening trade deficit. But now the rupee is no longer a concern. Now the Prime Minister, his government, hypocritical economics and the psychopathic media are bent on convincing us that the rupee's weakening is actually good, and that is happening with all currencies. This is completely false. Rupee in Asia's worst performing currency. The import bill from April to October 2025 is approximately rupees 650 billion. That means 85 lakh crore rupees, which is 10% more than last year. And it's not if the RBI did not do anything. The RBI spent approximately 40 to 42 billion dollars, approximately rupees 4 lakh crore, to keep the rupee strong. But it's having no effect. But if you think the rupee will weaken and it won't affect you, listen. A weakening rupee means the country's import bill will increase. Everything we buy from abroad will become more expensive. That's all for now, and thank you for watching us.